Several persons close to this German camp, Andrew, have hinted at several things. Oliver Bierhoff, the general manager, I saw an article from him quoting him a couple of days ago, and he said they were basically looking at the possibility of Germany not advancing, and he said if that was to happen, they would do the normal assessment, and if needs be, in terms of changing the coaching staff, he's saying change is always good, and they would want to look to move in that direction. And as I said, this team has been in place, a coaching staff, for 14 years now. So are we looking at some coaching changes going forward, a transitionary period, and quite a few of these players now in the German squad, we should expect them to retire from international football?
That is my expectation. You know, I believe some of the older players will bow out. They have won a World Cup, and that's an achievement that not a lot of players in this lifetime can say they have done, and I think that is very important. And there's not much more that they can do at the international level. So I don't see some of them continuing any longer. Oliver Bierhoff is the general manager of the team, and he has been the general manager of the team for the last 14 years. So he has to also do some introspection and see if he needs to also move out with the technicals.
Yeah, he did hint that if they make wholesale changes, he wouldn't be averse to that.
And maybe it's necessary to have now a rebirth for the German team, looking to a new generation to step forward with the program.
Yeah, one of the things is persons like Mats Hummels, that's clear. He's an elder statesman. Thomas Muller, some of these players, we kept on seeing in the game. They just looked a little slow, a little over. You know, they were not quick, were not creative.
Sharpness wasn't there.
Like what Mbappe at 19 bringing excitement.
Yes. They don't have that infusion. Yes, persons have been coming from a previous generation, but it happens for all these big teams. You know, the experience from all the heads, bring that into the next tournament and see if they can get them over the line. And many teams have struggled. That, unfortunately, is the situation with this German squad.
One of the things is to get the balance, you know. One of the things is to get the balance with the youth and the experience.
Right.
And a lot of squads have trouble going into the World Cup to get that balance, because guess what? They rely a lot on experience.
Yes.
Did Germany get that balance, you think?
That's maybe what a Sane could have maybe brought. A little bit spark of youth, of that energy. That maybe then lights up that spark with a Özil, with a Müller, and kind of stimulate. Maybe on that part he could have made a bigger impact. But that's what they'll be looking forward to. Get some new, fresh players in who can bring some excitement, who are hungry really to win something and perform and show I should be playing. Because none of these players have to prove anything.